I paid for 2-day shipping. I never do that. But I was like, this is a special occasion. Let's just go ahead and do it. We can get the dolls faster and have fun. But then my order was delayed. So we're gonna take a look at some stuff I bought over the holidays. Yo, did y'all see those Rainbow High deals on Amazon? The Rainbow High Rainbow Vision World Tour Bus and Stage is currently priced at $149. During the holidays, it was on sale for $34.91. I was like, yeah, because when it comes to Rainbow High, I have a new rule. For me, personally, when a new doll line comes out, I can get 2, maybe 3, and then I wait for the others to go on sale, since I mainly take their clothes anyway. For the play sets, however, if it's over like $50, I am waiting for it to go on sale. So that's what I did. This is a 4-in-1 playset with a tour bus, a stage, a vanity, and a DJ booth. Real working lights. It expands to 33 inches wide and 18 inches tall. This bus has some weight to it. It's white, black, pink, and silver. Loving this look. It's very realistic. It says magic on the top. Here's the back. We have some red lights and a Rainbow High license plate. The same plate is in the front. We have RH22 for 2022. I'm assuming sparkle and rainbow. There's a nice big clear windshield. We can see into the bus. Underneath, it's all smooth, and there's a little tab to pull so that we can use the batteries. I'm assuming this is how it opens. And the top lifts up, remove more packaging. The front lays down, open the sides, remove the box. Okay, that's cool. We can open the front as well. Lots of little fun details here. We have what looks like a little GPS, some gauges, the steering wheel, which can go down and up. We can turn the chair. That looks nice. There's a wall with a sticker print, and we can move it. That's pretty cool. It says backstage. The background is printed. We have some scaffolding here, and we should be able to raise this. There we go. Oh, wow. This is a large bus with a large stage. I am loving the scale. On the other side, we have the vanity. Those are printed flowers on the back wall. And we just have to remove this film. That's a great mirror. Let's open the box. Ooh, speakers. There are 2 standing speakers, a DJ booth, 2 smaller speakers to go on the booth, DJ equipment. All the details are printed. Well, they are 3D, but the colors are printed. The screen on the laptop is a sticker. The laptop itself has a pearly finish, and it says Rainbow Vision on the back. What's that? Oh, it's a little spot of extra paint. We have lights for the stage, and it looks like each one has a battery, so it actually turns on. Then we can place it in the top. There are 4 lights, and they can move, so you can position them however you like. Speaking of lights, the on switch for the vanity is right here in the flowers. There's a little stool with a cloth fabric seat. It kind of reminds me of like half a director's chair. Oh, that would have been cool if we got a director's chair. We can place that right here. And there is a little black makeup palette that also has a mirror. When expanded, this is a pretty large playset. I like the height, the color choices, and all the little extras, like the vanity. Let's see how a Barbie looks in this playset. Here's a Barbie at the DJ booth, on stage, at the vanity, and in the driver's seat. There's not a ton of room for my curvy Barbie, but we can make it work. Here's Monster High Draculaura, Cleo, since she's taller, a Ken doll, and an Integrity Toys doll. Oh, And you might want to see Rainbow High since it was, made for them. Remember when I said Shadow High really isn't my vibe? Yeah, you see, what happened was they went on sale for like $9. And I was just like following my rule. Then how do you explain these? I only got 2. So once again, following my rule. And this one has a sci-fi theme, so it was speaking to me. And the packaging is kind of cool. Does this mean we can say goodbye to the little boxes? Here's Nicole. She has a sporty vibe and comes with a second outfit. These dolls have been out for a minute, so we're gonna jump right into stealing their clothes. Or as we like to call it, does the fit fit? The sports top is a little short, but I think we can make it work. We did have to use a Velcro extension in the back. The biker shorts are a little loose at the top, but overall not too bad. We have baggy socks at the top, and of course the shoes are a little big. I wonder if Dream Ella will have a better fit. Ooh, it does fit a little better. We still had to use a Velcro extension on the top, but the biker shorts fit a lot better. There's no gaps. The socks are not baggy, and she can fit the shoes. I had a feeling that she might be a little bit more compatible with Rainbow High clothes because, same company and all. That's why I kept her on the same body. But we need some elbows and wrist. Here's the jacket on a Barbie. It's a decent fit. I think this is supposed to be a jersey dress. It's more of a shirt on a Barbie. And here is the off-the-shoulder silver jacket. This jacket is lined, which is awesome. And our Barbie can kind of fit the sock shoes. Here's Chanel, all glammed out. We can get the dress on a Barbie with our Velcro extension. I chose to not use the elastic straps just so I could have it a little lower. She comes with a hair bow, which I think looks pretty cute on the dress. She has a bracelet, lacy socks, and heels. Looking good, Georgia Bloom. Oh yeah, and there's a belt. Her second outfit totally needs a Velcro extension for the top, and I left the straps off again. The skirt is really cute. I love it. And if you add her leather jacket with the ruffle sleeves, it's a perfect look. Here are her second pair of shoes on a Dream Ella doll. Ash is up next. Love the AirPods. Georgia Bloom, who I like to call Gigi, appreciate your donation. However, I think her earring holes are a little different in size because I'm struggling to get those AirPods in. We get a long black t-shirt, pants with pockets and a little drawstring, and a jacket. Dream Ella can rock this look, and so can a Barbie. I love that we can mix and match everything. The second outfit includes tights with zippers. They stop about mid-shin. Sweat shorts, they are a little bulky. A white t-shirt with an astronaut graphic. Kind of love that. And a jacket with a hood. The sleeves are a nice length for the Barbie. There are patches on the sleeves and it's finished all the way around. And now, Carla. This Shadow High doll has a little pink. Light pink hair, pink eye makeup, pink lipstick, soft pink gloves, a little pink on the outfit, a pink doll stand, soft pink hangers, makeup brushes, lipstick in a new pink shade, a pink and black cell phone cover for a soft pink cell phone. Paris Hilton brought us our first Rainbow High cell phone, and now we have a second. Loving the details. She also has a makeup palette that says Shadow High, and we have lots of little pink colors, and there's a mirror. She comes with a black shadow fan that can actually fold up, and fabric shoes. She only comes with one outfit, but we got some layers here. I paid $24.99 for this doll on Amazon. Here's the outfit on a Dream Ella doll. I was surprised I could get the shirt on with no Velcro extension in the back. However, it is a snug fit. The dress is more of a skirt, but the shoes fit fine. We get a similar fit on a Barbie with the outfit. The shirt is a little short, so this might be a fun piece to put under other outfits. Like a new look for our little Wednesday inspired doll. Last but not least, we have Zoe, or Zoe. Look at her shirt. This doll is bringing all the space vibes. I want to say this is a light turquoise skin tone with matching hair. We do have some tinsel in there. 3 little knots going across the top, fun makeup, silver colored earrings, a puffy astronaut jacket with working pockets. Love the patches. There are so many. Here's the back. We have some bungees at the bottom, and it is lined on the inside. Underneath, the doll has a white t-shirt with a Novi Stars graphic, a faux leather skirt, socks, and heels with little plugs. Check out the nails and the accessories. She has a drink with stickers, a laptop, and it looks like this doll is into drawing, and a cell phone in a case. That makes 3. We also get hangers, a doll stand, and stuff like that. The shirt is cropped on a Barbie, the skirt fits as expected, and the jacket is a little short on the sleeves, but we're totally wearing it anyway. I think we can try to get away with the accessories as well. The cell phone is a little large, but we can just call it a Pro Max Max. Hold up! Wait a minute. I just came back from Target, and look at what I found on the shelf. A Disney ILY 4Ever fashion doll. I only saw this one in the store, and even though I ordered them from Shop Disney, I got her anyway. Priced at $29.99, this is the Snow White inspired doll with a surprise inside. You know how we love surprises! Oh yeah! And I'm loving the packaging. It's all these pretty pastel colors. What can we do with that? Let's take a Rainbow High laptop, lightly trace around it, sketch a little tab at the top, cut it out. I trace it onto an index card or a piece of cardstock to make a pattern, then place the tab at the bottom and trace around it, cut the pattern out, place the pattern onto the packaging so we can trace the little indent and cut it out. Put the laptop back on top, and then we're gonna just fold it. The bottom should end up a little under the top, and there we have a little file folder. The crease did split a little, but this is a fun project, really easy to do, and we get to recycle. Think of all the folders we could make with doll packaging. Just made a Shadow High folder. I flipped the pattern over so the tab is on the other side. However, with this one, we can see the paperboard. Maybe we can use a little washi tape. I put tape across the top of the inside, trim off the excess, problem solved. Now our dolls can have a lifetime supply of file folders. Back to the doll. With shoes on and to the top of her head, I would say this doll is a little under 11.5 inches tall. She has inset eyes, painted edges, freckles, really nice soft makeup. The lipstick is like 2 different colors, and you can even see little painted lines on the lip. We have some painted teeth here. My personal preference would have been a closed mouth, but that's just me. Here's a little side profile. This doll's ears are pierced. She has rooted hair with a nice little curl to it. Wears a Mickey Mouse or Minnie Mouse headband. Love that. We'll be making some of those. She wears a gold colored necklace with a poison apple on it. Overall shorts with some distressing. There's a working pocket on the bib. This feels like denim. There are little silver details. The pockets on the shorts are sewn. It velcros in the back. The top and the overall shorts are 2 separate pieces. The top is lined and it has a trim around the collar and at the bottom. Loving all of the gathering. The doll comes wearing socks and flat red shoes with painted white soles. This doll is articulated with movement at the head. We have some nice rotation there. She can look up really well. She can look down to the side. There we go. Rotate at the shoulder. Go out to the side, go down. bend at the elbow and it can turn. We can turn at the wrist and the hand can go back and forth. Nice size hands with flexible fingers. She can move at the hip and bend at the knee. We get a nice double joint there, and it looks like we have some ankle articulation. Not bad. Let's see if she can pass the hand to ear test. And this is where we try to make it seem like she's talking on a phone. Can we do that? No, that's as far as you can go. Looks like the Made to Move Barbie body is still my go-to when it comes to articulation. This is a pretty solid, sturdy doll, around the same height as a standard Barbie, so I bet they can share clothes. This doll comes with a pink sweater with red apples printed on it. It's finished all the way around. It's pretty easy to dress the doll. She comes with a plastic backpack that has fabric straps and it can open. Glasses with lenses. Oh, I think they're sunglasses. And a balloon with a surprise. Now the balloon is flat in the back. There's a little space at the top so we can open it. And inside we have a sticker. And correction, it's not a sticker, it's a collector's guide showing treats that we can find at the parks. And ours is a Mickey Mouse waffle with strawberries and whipped cream. It is stuck to the plate, but I don't mind because it is adorable. Then we can put the balloon back together for the doll to hold. However, it is a little heavy, so let's hope those joints hold up. I can store my collector's guide in our folder. See, they're useful. And in case you were wondering, yes, a classic Barbie can fit this outfit. The overalls, the shirt, the cardigan, although the shirt makes it look like we have shoulder pads. The socks, although they are a little big, but not really the shoes. And the glasses are a little large too. I love that these dolls are Disney fans. They're not the Disney princesses, they are just Disney bounding as different characters. Everything seems to be well made. I like that a lot of the items are compatible with Barbie. And I totally planned on testing just about everything out as soon as my order arrives. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at a few things from Rainbow High and one of the new ILY 4Ever fashion dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.